In this video, we will look at the geospatial viewer in Mobius. The Geo Viewer has just one Settings tab. It is the Scene tab. As with all viewer settings, to update settings, change the values and click Apply. Settings are saved in the Mobius script file. The Scene tabs allows you to set 3 settings. The image tiles are the images of the geospatial maps, tiled onto the ground plane. You can select from various options. The date time allows you to set the date and time, which will affect the position of the sun. For the camera, you can set the camera location and rotation. For the camera, you can also rotate the view to your desired location. Then click the Get buttons. This will get the camera location and rotation from the current view. Saving the file will then save these camera settings. Mobius uses a Cartesian coordinate system. Locations are specified by 3 axes, x, y, z. Geospatial data uses a geographic coordinate system. Locations are specified by 3 numbers, latitude, longitude and elevation. When working with geolocated data, it will be necessary to project data between the 2 coordinate systems. This requires the Cartesian coordinate system to be geolocated on the surface of the Earth. The location of the origin of the Cartesian coordinate system can be specified by a latitude-longitude location. The default orientation then has the x-axis facing east, and the y-axis facing north. This default orientation can then be modified by rotating around its z-axis. The geolocation of a Mobius model is specified using model-level attributes. The origin of the Cartesian coordinate system is specified by the geolocation attribute. The attribute value is a dictionary containing the latitude, longitude and optionally the elevation. The orientation is specified by a vector. The vector specifies the direction of north in the xy plane of the Cartesian coordinate system. In the example, the first node in the flowchart is used to set the geolocation of the model. The 2 model attributes in the attribute table are shown. Once the geolocation is set, clicking the Zoom All button will zoom the Geo Viewer to that location. In order to make the process of specifying geolocation easier, 2 functions are provided. They are io.geolocate and io.geoalign. With the geolocate function you specify the origin and rotation. With the geoalign function, you specify the origin and a second point that lies anywhere on the positive x-axis. These 2 functions all do the same thing. They set the model attributes. Once the geolocation has been set, the Geo Viewer will automatically center on that location. Any entities created in the Cartesian coordinate system will be automatically mapped to their correct geospatial location. Here, we will briefly show how Google Maps can be used to set geolocation and orientation. When you click on any location, the latitude and longitude will be shown. These values can be copied and pasted into Mobius. For specifying the orientation, the north vector can be used. The vector needs to be specified relative to the x and y axes of the Cartesian coordinate system. The north vector can be visualized using the visualize.ray function.